Well, ladies and gentlemen, I've got 30 more minutes before my legal 10's done. But I'm gonna go see if they'll deliver me now. Okay, so my appointment isn't until 1 p.m. So she told me to back up over here and someone will come and get me when they can. See, our jockey just now told me to go to door 89, and he probably just told that guy to go to door 88, which sucks now because it makes it harder to back in for me. Holy moly, that's perfect! That right there was a perfect back. Holy crap. Took me forever. Flush. Alright guys, I just now got done getting unloaded here and I did all my paperwork. Well, because I slept here last night, I drove in and I didn't do a pre-trip because I just got unloaded. Well, I did a pre-trip just now and this is what I found. I honestly don't want to be driving with that like that. Because if it blows, you're screwed. Alright guys, we're down here at Love's in Buckeye, Arizona. I'm getting 2 brand new steer tires put on my tractor. Mechanic's showing me the difference between a 14 ply and a 16 ply. Basically it's weight. And so I asked them how much weight the new tires are going to be able to hold, so I know what's legal.
So you got right here, it's going to tell you the weight. So you're looking at 7160 pounds right there. So anytime you see the load range H, that's going to tell you right there. That's a 16 ply.
So what's that thingy-majigger do?
It's some are called bazookas. That one's called a cheetah can.
A what?
Cheetah can.
Cheetah can?
Cheetah.
Cheetah.
Yeah. It pushes a. We go up to 100 psi. It'll push 100 psi with the air,
Dang.
but it shoots out. So it only gives it enough oomph to see.